back to Gimme 2 Minutes. My name is Aideen and this is the final instalment of our series on critical thinking. So far we have explored what critical thinking entails, how to identify bias, and how to identify bias in ourselves. Now that we know how to be aware of what critical thinking entails, how do we go about implementing it in a university context so that we are working to the best of our ability? Here at the Skills Centre we follow the formula for success. Start with a question. Remain sceptical of a conclusion. Always ensure to embark on your research with an open mind. Now that we know about confirmation bias, we can approach our work in a way that ensures we eliminate these biases. By looking for research that doesn't fit with our current beliefs on a topic, we are allowing ourselves to critically think about a topic from alternative points of view. Source reliable, peer-reviewed information. But remember, in order to critically think, you need to remain alert to any potential bias. This doesn't mean biased sources can't be useful. It just means you are aware of potential gaps in information that you must then backfill by researching the opposite sides of the argument. Present the most compelling evidence you have found, but don't simply provide a summary. Our job as academics is to consistently revise and question the world around us. State what you think. Contributing something original in an area which has been extensively covered seems impossible, but it isn't. You may use the sources in a completely different way to the rest of your class, or you might even find something new. By critically thinking, you are allowing yourself to reach your full potential. If you want to know more about our critical thinking workshops, visit our website to check our next availability. We are always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more information and more videos.